My name is Veronica and I live in Stretford, Manchester. I've had my car since it was brand new. I used to use it when I was district nurse to go in and visit insulin patients. So there was time specific, so you needed to be there, do dressings, go back and do a clinic, 8:30, 8:45, 9 o'clock, and without a car I wouldn't have been able to do that. I knew there were a few issues. Got the phone call to say it's going to cost, right, and it was over £1,000. Without this work doing, you won't be able to use your car. It's not roadworthy. She mentioned bumper and I'd never heard of it. It was fantastic. I could afford it, which was the main thing. It was something that I could pay within my budget, not like a bank loan, which is over 2 years with massive interest. Oh, well, if I've got bumper and I know I'm going to be able to afford it and pay it, I may as well just do it all. Then the garage sort of fixed the brakes and I thought, get the tyres as well, because it was there and I didn't have any worry. I could just say, do the work, because I can afford the amounts to pay each month. I have recommended, my sister's using it at the moment. She's on, I think, about second payment now. And I will be using it again.